Sorkar Jylla Kalara pynpoi no adiki optical fiber shaman ki block ka Jylla pin khlanya ki lat pinyoso link ba ki core internet kani garai kalami na gajing lang bishar kam bat katnat information technology balong ne kasin kong habe kren ba kinong tho khubor umintri rang ba ka Jylla konrat ki sangma ulapin tip ba kajing kren ka babnya kaladon bat katnat telecom ka power grid ha ka ba kalarai ben pinyan oshakmat ha ka ban siang ki optical line shabaro ki block ka Sorkar kan pentikna bala dadan kinu ki jaka puli ki hospital ni ki office tray kam ki bakwa penchim connection kila penchim ha kanu kapor on dala penpoyo line optical fiber kat haba penkun
review with the IT department also today, and we have in principle decided on going ahead with the last mile connectivity in the state in terms of laying optical fibers, and we had a detailed discussion with the telecom wing of the power grid, where we are moving forward now to lay optical lines all the way to all the blocks. So the roadmap has been laid, and in a phase-wise manner, this project will start. We expect the work to commence sometime in the month of March next year, and we expect that within about 12 to 15 months' time, that means by 2025, sometime around June, July, we do expect that all the blocks in the state, all the subdivisions, and obviously all the districts, all of them will be connected by optical fiber. And not only that, wherever from that point, if any of the institutions, organizations, hospitals require the connectivity, we will then be able to further give the connectivity to all the different locations. So this is again a very, very important project, keeping in mind the large-scale e-governance projects that we're doing, and to improve the overall e-governance from a public-centric point of view. So this is a very important project, and as I said that the work for this will start within a 3-4 months time. The paperworks are going on, but the in principle decision today was taken to go ahead with this project.